Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best motion alarm is probably one of the most effective ways to boost your home security, offering a reliable and immediate alert system against potential intruders. In this video, we will delve into the top-rated motion alarms with sirens on the market, examining their features, ease of installation, and overall effectiveness in protecting your property and loved ones from unwanted visitors, ensuring you have the information you need to make an informed decision on which system best suits your needs and budget. Number 5. CPVAN Motion Sensor Alarm. It features a 125 dB alert, scaring away intruders and other unwanted visitors. Its simple operation makes it easy to protect your home or business. With advanced technology, it accurately detects movement up to 40 feet away, minimizing false alarms. It's best used in open spaces. It offers a loud alarm in a chime mode, controlled remotely from up to 328 feet away. You can use it to welcome guests or deter unwanted visitors. It's portable and easy to install using the included adhesive or screws, or simply place it on a table or shelf. Take it with you wherever you go. We offer an 18-month warranty and lifetime tech support. Contact us with any questions, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. It boasts a super loud alarm to deter intruders and is incredibly user-friendly. The extensive remote range adds versatility, making it perfect for larger spaces like garages or vans. If you need a simple yet effective solution for a variety of locations, this is the one for you. Number 4. CPVAN Motion Sensor Alarm CP2 Pro. It features a 125 dB alert, scaring away intruders and other unwanted visitors. Its simple design makes it easy to set up and use in various locations. With advanced technology, it accurately detects movement up to 40 feet away, minimizing false alarms. It's best used in open spaces, as it doesn't work well through walls or windows. It offers two modes, a loud alarm and a chime. The 328 feet remote control adds extra convenience and control, allowing for various applications. It's portable and can be easily installed using the included adhesive or screws, or simply placed on a surface. Take it with you when you travel. We offer an 18-month warranty and lifetime tech support. Contact us with any questions, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This device is also designed with a powerful alarm and simple operation. The long-range remote control allows for flexible placement and control, ideal for various settings. If you prioritize ease of use and wide-ranging control, this is a great option. What people say. It's quite small, but puts out an ear-piercing siren, which is just what I like for a burglar to hear as he's climbing in through my window. It can also be used as an electronic doorbell by simply pressing a button on the unit or remote. The alarm sound is quite loud and stunned the raccoon for a couple seconds before running away. The remote seems to have a good strong power. It works from inside closed windows, across 30 feet of yard and through the pavilion curtains. The unit works well. The sound levels are appropriate, adequate but not excessive for the chime function, and quite loud for the siren function. The remote control functions well. Number 3. YOYOJAMES Solar Alarm. This security alarm uses bright lights and a loud siren to deter intruders. It's perfect for protecting your home, farm, or any outdoor space. With its sensitive motion sensors, it detects movement up to 20 feet away. It provides 24/7 protection, alerting you to any activity. This alarm is incredibly loud, reaching up to 130 decibels. It's sure to scare away unwanted visitors. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions with its IP55 waterproof rating. It's built to last. You can record your own custom messages, up to 20 seconds long, to play as a warning or welcome greeting. This is a great added feature. It comes with everything you need for easy installation, including a remote control, USB charging cable, and mounting hardware. Get yours today. What we like. This outdoor alarm is incredibly loud and environmentally friendly thanks to its solar power. The unique recordable message feature lets you customize warnings or greetings. If you're looking for a powerful, sustainable, and customizable outdoor security solution, this is your best bet. What people say. The motion sensor works quite well, and I love the red flashing lights. The ability to customize what or how I want to have a warning, including how loud, is really a neat option. It's been extremely effective, no dear, nothing, since it's been installed and it's been through numerous rainstorms downpours with no issues. Number 2. YoLink Outdoor Security Siren Kit. It's completely wireless. No wiring or external power needed, it runs on 4 AA batteries. Enjoy the flexibility of placement. Pair it with a siren fob and other YoLink alarm products for a comprehensive security system. This creates a network that works even without internet access. It works even without Wi-Fi or internet. Our device-to-device pairing ensures reliable operation, no matter the circumstances. With an impressive 4-mile range, you can place it virtually anywhere on your property. No worries about weak Wi-Fi signals. For full functionality, including app control and battery monitoring, a YoLink hub is required. It's compatible with a wide range of smart home products. Remember to use 4 alkaline or lithium AA batteries to power this device. Batteries are not included. What we like. This wireless alarm offers impressive range and doesn't require Wi-Fi or internet access. It's perfect for remote locations or areas with unreliable internet. If you need a reliable, long-range alarm that works independently of internet connectivity, this is the ideal choice. What people say. For house monitoring of crawl space temp humidity, water leak detection, motion in attic etc., the product line works extremely well and has excellent smart home integration. The standout feature for me is the Siren's versatility. With customizable sound levels and a variety of alert tones, I can tailor the system to suit my preferences and effectively deter potential threats. The Siren's robustness is apparent, even in harsh weather conditions, a testament to its exceptional build quality. Have several YoLink devices including the hub, water sensors, water main remote shutoff, motion sensor, door sensor, and smart plugs. I really like the app, which has no subscription cost. It's super easy to navigate, understand, and allows control monitoring of all the devices. Also very easy to connect new devices to the app, just takes a couple seconds. All of the products are high quality and work well. Number 1. TOWODE Motion Detector Alarm. It boasts intelligent motion detection within a range of 6 to 8 meters. When motion is detected, it emits a bright flash and a loud alarm of up to 110 dB. Control it all easily with the included remote. It offers 3 convenient modes, welcome, alarm, and smart, each with 4 adjustable volume levels ranging from 25 dB to 110 dB. A low battery reminder ensures you're always prepared. This device is powered by 3 AAA batteries, not included, or via USB cable, not included. The remote control uses a single coin cell battery, included, remove the insulator before use. Choose from 17 different voice options, including welcome greetings in 11 languages and 6 melodies. You can customize the voice in welcome and smart modes. Installation is a breeze. Use the included double-sided tape or screws to mount it securely in your home, shop, office, or garage. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. What we like. This alarm offers a range of volume levels and modes to suit various needs, and the multiple voice options add a personalized touch. It's versatile and adaptable for different environments and preferences. If you value versatility and customization, this is the one to choose. What people say. I was pleasantly surprised by the variety of sound options and how sensitive it is to motion. I set it up at the top of the staircase, and it actually senses me all the way down at the bottom step. When I want to spend time in my living room, I simply turn them in a different direction and then reset them. It has many sounds, chimes, dogs, doorbell. In addition to greetings in many languages and even a warning that states you are being monitored. I love the remote. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.